Hey everyone, Aaron with CrossCountry Mortgage here. We get a chance to give back from time to time, and one of the opportunities that we have is to give back to our veterans, and we really encourage and support that opportunity, and we want to invite you to participate with us. On Thursday, November 11th, from 1 to 4 p.m. at Click Lanes here in Grand Rapids, we will be hosting a Rolling for Veterans bowling event. We want to encourage participation and you to come along. Any and all money that we raise for this event will be given to the local VA hospital here in Grand Rapids. So there'll be some drinks, some snacks, some fun, and just would appreciate the opportunity to meet and greet and hang out and have a good time supporting this great cause. Feel free to reach out to us directly at ccmmichigan.com or contact us here at the local Grand Rapids branch. You can also email me directly at aaron@myccmortgage.com and I can send you some more information. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.